Alright, we're going to go ahead and apply a knee-high elastic stocking. So I did my opening. I have my knee-high elastic stocking right here. Alright, Ms. Smith, we're going to go ahead and apply your knee-high elastic stocking. You want to put the stocking on your arm, right side out. You want to place the square, the heel pad, half on your palm and half on your wrist. Okay? And then close your palm, turn it inside out, about halfway to the square until you start seeing the square turn inside out. Grab one side and pinch it, make sure you don't move it. Wiggle your hand out a little bit and then grab the other side. You should be able to see the square in between your two thumbs. Okay? And then once you have that, Ms. Smith, we're going to go ahead and uncover your foot that we're going to be placing the knee-high elastic stocking on. Okay, we're going to go ahead and come from here. There's the square. Okay, we're going to come from here and place it on your foot. Just about right there to where the heel is. And then we're going to go ahead and grab this side, the top end of the knee-high elastic stocking, and go ahead and just pull slowly. The mannequin will move around a little bit, so hopefully somebody will be holding down the mannequin. Okay. And then you just want to adjust it a little bit. Make sure you pull it all the way up. Make sure that there's no kinks or wrinkles or twists. Okay. You can just leave this hanging. You don't have to, roll it up. And then you want to look at the heel pad. Make sure that it's covering the heel completely. Okay. All right, Ms. Smith, you're all set. Go ahead and cover the patient up. It's all done. And then this is where you would do your closing procedure.